I got it. I got it, Joey.
So it doesn't back
Yeah.
up
Yeah.
into the.
Yeah, I got it.
Got it.
Okay,
yes.
thank you.
Okay.
See, they're very important. You see, my colors, except here a little darker, they're quite equally balanced. Okay, here a little lighter. Now those are very important for especially when I want to paint that they're much larger space area to work. And then if I have a smaller brush, and then even more work. Now, I need a volunteer. Who want to volunteer to paint this? Come, paint it. Show me. Show me how that you use this brush. You paint. Did you see how she sprayed?
Yeah, like a woman.
Oh, you're going to pay for that one.
And then
Stop it.
stop it.
Okay, now, that's okay. My turn.
Well, yours is going to be better.
No. What I'm trying to tell you is, whether you have experience or you don't have experience, now, you cannot going back unless you have experience to
Darken it. Yeah.
Okay, there's only one attempt. All right. Now, so
So
see,
this
is-
mountain has to be back there.
yes. So this has to be behind this. So how dark it is totally up to you. But my concern is, when you do like this, okay,
Yeah.
you make sure that the dark colors and the light colors are merged every time when you move.
Okay.
So that's just what I said. A bigger brush, which is I don't want to use this, but this is very expensive brush.
Yeah.
They are starting coming out.
Is that a horsehair too?
Yeah, that's $5-10.
Save it.
Put it in a little pile.
Paint with one hair.
Listen, yeah.
Yeah.
Scrape, scrape.
Scrape, scrape, scrape. Tip. Mush.
Now, dirty water sometimes is used.
Good.
Yeah.
Tip the edge.
I can do. There's another paper. Okay. Oh, I can use that. No.
It's a nice one.
Here it is.
Excuse me.
See, this is a different paper.
It is, yes.
Okay. This is the paper that I use. Okay.
Three. Big sprays.
Yeah, not.
He spritz like a man. Yes.
There you go.
Now I hold like this. You can hold like this. Okay. But hold like this is much easier to manage. Heavy. Sorry, I blocked you.
Yeah. I'll move.
Come over.
That's okay. Stand up.
Roll the brush a little.
I got green colors.
Yes, you do.
You know why the green colors?
It's springtime in the mountains.
No, this brush normally I use it for painting lotus.
Oh.
Okay, lotus leaf.
No. So it's imagine not green colors, they
Yeah.
are water.
And then
Okay.
spritz right away.
So see the colors,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, see the colors, and then what you do is you
Wash, soften the edge
soften, yeah,
With clear water.
right away.
with clear water. Yes. This
Yeah.
paper will
You see-
allow you to do it. Some paper will not.
You see, I don't have to spray waters
Yeah.
because that just now spraying water because they are running.
Already.
Yeah. So this one, no, just leave it. No. But if you want to spray water, it's fine. You can spray them, but doesn't make any difference.
Yeah.
Okay. Now those are the paper that you have to concern about whether you need to spray or not.
The
Okay.
Moon Palace paper will
But
not
that's
let you
underneath,
wash the
once you
bottom.
wet this, the whole paper needs to spray.
Be wet.
So when they dry equally,
Evenly.
Okay. Now those are what the big brushes are good for. And make sure that
They're
you
clean.
don't have any ink or
Yes.
color.
Or color.
Unless you want the green
Okay.
effect.
Yeah.
Any
Yeah.
question?
That's only spring in the mountains.
So when you go home, then when you look at the video, you're gonna laugh.
Oh, yes,
You're
we're gonna laugh.
remember
laugh.
me.
Yes. Oh, we're gonna
Oh, we're gonna remember
you.
We won't need the video.
We won't, yeah, that's right.
It's getting to